bossing.
Ganda ng
Try natin mag-troll. Woo! Oh, lala.
Diba, DTX.
DTX 200. Kaya niya mag-troll up to 18 knots. But average, we're gonna run it at 9 or 8. Going to the next spot. And okay. Coated wire leader from Fishing Villa. Hindi ko alam kung anong brand, pero for its size, napakalambot. Plug and play. Kabit ng snap. Ride sa split ring. We're done. Kakabit na lang natin po sa Tiagra. Hilahin natin at 8 knots. Let's see what happens. Okay.